boy. Look at that face. Yes, this is Jax.
Yes. He is wonderful, isn't he? Jax is a 6-year-old male Jack Russell Terrier mix, and he's just as sweet and calm and precious and wonderful, and also active, because he is a Jack Russell Terrier, as you could ever want. So I think that, once again, we have the perfect dog right here in little Jax.
And they're so clever.
Yes, he is super smart.
Thank you for that. I appreciate that. Thank you for licking my shoe.
He is treat motivated, of course, and so he will. And there's no telling what all he could learn with treats. I mean, doesn't everybody love treats? But he's just a precious boy, and he's ready to go home today. He's going to be at our Jan Reese Jones Animal Care Center in West Dallas. But, you know, we're also out at North Park Center with adoptable dogs and cats through December 23rd. So people can also come check out all kinds of wonderful dogs and cats there, too.
More dogs and cats, of course, looking for good homes. And what better time than the holidays to give them that good home. Where can folks find Jax today? Jax
is going to be at 2400 Lone Star Drive in West Dallas today. That's our new shelter, and he'll just be the perfect family companion.
888-ANIMALS, SPCA.org for more information. There's the camera. Look at the camera. There it is. Yes. Yes, make people love you. Love you. Make them love you.